Hey Shirelings, so today I'm doing some maintenance on the tractor attachments. So this is the mower deck, starting with this for my tractor, which is sitting out there right now. So first thing I did was take my air compressor and blow all the dirt, leaves, and twigs off of it, clean it up. Then I took my little grease gun here and I greased all of the Zerk fittings. These are called, I think these are called Zerk fittings. If I'm wrong, correct me, but grease, can't talk these up. There's one in there. And then because I had a little bit of extra grease when trying to put in the new tube, I also greased the PTO connector over here so it doesn't get rusty. That's it. Now I'm going to flip it over, put it up on its end with a chain and the tractor, and see about checking the blades and maybe even sharpening the blades. But we'll be right back so I can show you. All right, so there it is, up on its end. And you can kind of see, I don't know if you can really tell, but these need sharpening. They are very, very, very blunt. I'm going to get my grinder, angle it along this edge on all of them, and sharpen them up. I mean, they're still plenty long enough, you know, as you can see, there's not much clearance here. So, still plenty long enough. This one's a little shorter than the rest, but that's mainly because these are not the original blades. I think only one of them is the original blade, which is this one over here. The other ones, in the beginning, when I started doing this, I didn't know we had so many stumps and I bent or broke blades. But luckily, I have a stash that got left behind on the property by the previous owner that I've been using to replace these. So yeah, so hang tight and then show you what I do to resharpen these. Yeah, I got a lot of grinding to do. All right, we'll be back. All right, there we go. It looks much better. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell, but it has an edge now. There we go. Pull back a little bit. Has an edge. Still need to grind down a little bit down here on this end. And then now I got to do the other 5. Finish this one up and do the other 5. And there it is, all done. All of them were sharpened. You know, you can see a few nicks and stuff from when I've hit things. But yep, all sharpened, all good to go. And considering the brush and tall grass that I cut through, you know, I have to do this more often than somebody who just cuts, you know, their lawn. But this is the first time I've done it. They were pretty rounded, but now they're done. They'll cut a lot better. And then I figure in about another 4 months or so, I'll have to do it again. But all right, take care, Shirelings. Later.